Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be an organising video, and it's basically a mishmash of a few different videos that I was supposed to do and I didn't get around to doing them as separate videos, so I've put them all together so you can see me organising my life. I did some kitchen organising, I did some bedroom organising, my wardrobe, and I also did a bit of DIY, I don't know. I put some lights up in my room, but I thought I would share it with you in this video. So let's get into it, okay? The first thing that I did was organise my spice cupboard. To do this, I emptied everything out. I found these jars in B&M which inspired me to clean out my spice cupboard and organise it. So I'm just emptying everything out of my spice cupboard and seeing what exactly I have. I wrote everything down that I use all the time, and then I also starred the ones that I'd already transferred to the jars, and I also ticked the ones that I wanted in jars too, so that I knew exactly how many jars that I needed. And then I measured how many fit and all that kind of thing, and then I gave the cupboard a really good clean with some Dettol. And then remembered that I also have another cupboard with spices and oils, which the oils are going to stay there, but the spices I'm going to sort them out. I decanted all of the spices that I wanted into the jars, and this was over a few days. I didn't do all this at once, but I did that over a few days because I had to buy the jars. I also got these boxes from Wilko for £1.50 I think, and these were perfect for my bigger packets of spices which I don't use all the time but I still need handy. And now we're going to move on to the actual video which I'm telling you what's going on, so yeah, let's move on to that. So I actually bought this from Morrison's and it is a really cool spice rack. So I'm going to take everything out of my cupboard and then I'm going to put it in. It fits that way, but I don't know if it fits the long way, so hopefully it will. We'll see, we'll see. Now I don't know what to do. That was really scary, by the way. I don't know what to do about this now. Basically, the four fit, but it's very wobbly. And then I started putting them on the second shelf, and because this is so close to the edge, like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's literally like just about coming off the edge. So I don't know if this is actually gonna work. Don't know what to do now. Okay, so what I'm thinking is using this area here. Don't know if you can see, like, it's just this random corner of the kitchen. So if I try, I really wanted this to work, guys. If I put that on there, maybe sort something out here. Don't know. So can you see what it looks like? Like, I don't know, what do you think? I'm so upset about this. I thought that would work so perfectly, but it really doesn't. I don't really know. Like, everything just slides off it, so I might have to like put some glue gun glue on the bottom of each one or something like that. But right now, it's gonna stay like that. These can go back in here. So I just put it all the way in the corner, and I think I prefer it like that. Let me know what you think. I really don't even know. So it's still like this. If you have any ideas of what I can do with this cupboard with these spices, oh my gosh, it's really annoying me that they're on the worktop. Moving on to the baking cupboard, which needs a little bit of TLC, as you can see. I've got these boxes from B&M, £1. Also this stand from Wilko, which I was very upset because it did not fit in this cupboard. I needed to fit all of this into the cupboard, so I decided to move all of the glasses out and use this cupboard as my baking cupboard. I put the stand into that cupboard because obviously it's going to fit in there. And then I put all of the baking stuff into all the separate boxes, and then I put them all into the cupboard because they fit really well, as you can see. So as you can see, this box here is overflowing a little bit. I tried to put it in the cupboard, but it would not go in properly because it was so overflowing. So I decided to use one of these boxes, which was left over from another organising thing that I was doing, and put a bunch of things into here so that they were out of the way, and I could put those at the top. And then I emptied out the top of the cupboard, which had loads of Tupperware and my secret stash of Smarties. And then I put the box at the top, and then I didn't know what else to put there, so I put the Smarties back, and I also put this big, huge icing sugar packet up there too. And that is how it looks when it's finished. Now it's time to put all of the glasses away, but first I'm going to give the cupboard a really nice clean with some wipes. I put all the glasses that I don't use very often at the back, because what is the point of a tiny glass? At the top I put the Tupperware and some glasses that I rarely use. I had a recipe book which I needed to put away, so I found this perfect spot for it. Moving on to my bedroom, so as you can see I have some fairy lights which I am untangling. This was the longest job in the world, I'm not even going to lie. I untangled them and then I bunched them all up like this. This is the corner that the fairy lights are going in, so this is what it looks like before. I had these command strips in my cupboard which you just put a tab on one side, and then when you're ready you peel the tab off the back and then stick it on the wall, and they're made for it, so I thought these would be perfect to hang the fairy lights. You can see how easy it is. Just stick it on the wall and then hook the wire onto it, and it just stays because that is what they're made for. I keep saying that. Once they were all up, I took all the hairbands out and they were looking so beautiful. I love this corner so much. We use it every single night when we go to sleep. The only thing I don't like about it is I don't have a remote for it, so I can't really turn it off when I'm in bed. But how pretty does it look? Let me know if you like it. And then I also had a few bits that I wanted to hang on the walls because I just love having things on my walls. And this is what it looks like now. I obviously added some more prints because I love prints. This corner just makes me happy. I need to get a chair and a rug and a little side table, and then it will be completely done, and I absolutely love it. Moving on to my wardrobe organisation. So this is the longest bit of the video, because this took the longest, I'm not even gonna lie. I started by emptying everything out of my wardrobe. This was part of the vlog. I didn't think I was gonna actually do the whole wardrobe, but I thought I would and film it so that I could share it with you guys. And I thought I would add in the bits of the vlog that I actually filmed on that day, so you can see exactly what was going on. I realised that I didn't actually keep the clip where I'm explaining what I'm going to be doing. So after I took all the clothes out, I went through one by one and put all the clothes that I'm giving to charity in the basket. All my summer clothes are going on top of the cart, and then the ones that I'm going to try on are on the side of the cart, and then the ones that I'm keeping are being hung up, so I'm putting them in a pile next to that pile so it's just easier and I can put them all in the wardrobe together. Now it's time to put everything back into my wardrobe, and it felt so good to see so much space. It was half empty. How good is that? And then I decided to also clean out the drawers and got through all of those. Did exactly the same thing I did with the hanging clothes, put all the ones back that I needed and chucked all the ones that I'm never going to use. So tired. My wardrobe is all done. I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy that I got rid of all of those clothes. This is a charity bag, so I'm going to put some of this stuff into there and then get another one, fill that one up, because there is a lot of stuff that I'm getting rid of. This is the pile of clothes that are being given away. This is a pile that I need to try on. There's literally like 4 or 5 things there. I feel like half of it's going to go in the charity bag as well. And then on here is that pile that you just saw, is a bunch of clothes that I need to put in the loft because they're more summer outfits that I wouldn't reach for in the winter. And I also need to bring some jumpers down, and I also need to clear those out as well and see which ones fit me and which ones don't and all that kind of thing. So I still need to do that, so it's not all done yet, but getting there slowly. So that is 2 massive bin bags later. I've put everything in the attic, the loft, whatever. Still need to try on a few bits, but I can wait to do that because I really cannot be bothered right now. I'm sweating because I'm so hot. But my wardrobe is done. I'm so happy about that. I ended up actually finishing off the whole wardrobe. I didn't expect to, obviously, because 2 kids is not easy work and I thought they would be more needy, but thankfully my husband had them for very long and I managed to go in the loft a few times, get all my winter clothes, bring them all down, hang them all up, sort them all out, and honestly it just feels so good to know that my wardrobe is all sorted for the winter and there's no clothes that don't fit me in there anymore, and it just feels really nice. So if you need to sort out your wardrobe, do it. Honestly, you'll feel so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry that it was just a little bit all over the place and I don't know how it's going to come out because I've never actually done a video like this before. But hopefully you enjoyed it and you got some inspiration to do your cupboards and your wardrobe and your spices and all that kind of thing. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. I make loads of videos about my life. I do loads of vlogs, I do cooking videos. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!